Before the earth was made, you were living, and over every heart you've been singing. Your very words spoke life into being. You even give the breath we are breathing, and now we sing our songs back to you. Oh Lord, we gladly lay down our lives at your feet. We take the breath you gave, and we give it back in praise, 'cause you are exalted to the highest place, and you have the name above all other names. Lord, you are exalted to the highest place, and you have the name above all other names. Stepping down into a world you made, the uncreated God in a human frame, creates a dwelling with creation. You made yourself of no reputation, and you made yourself nothing for us, and you gave up your life for the least of men. You entered the gates of death, but rose with the keys in your hands. Now you are exalted to the highest place, and you have the name above all other names. Lord, you are exalted to the highest place, and you have the name above all other names. There is no